Good morning, Paul Georgi from Allendale. It's June 19th, Wednesday morning, and market's a bit lower overnight as the trade seems to be taking a little bit of profit off the table after yesterday's nice rally. We had heard reports in the country that their farmers had been selling a bit of corn and soybeans, the stronger futures and stronger basis. Some places soybean basis was reported up 20 cents yesterday. Corn basis in some areas up as much as 8 cents yesterday. So a reason to move a little bit of grain. I think the real key over the next several weeks will be farmer selling. Farmer hold the string right now on where this market goes. When they're willing to sell it on strength, market backs off a little bit. They have not been willing to sell on weakness, and that certainly providing some support in the nearby contracts. Going into the next several days, I think we've got three major factors that are going to be impacting the market. The planted acreage report coming up. Traders discussing what type of shift do we have in planted acres. How many acres will we lose in corn? How many will we gain in beans? And that could affect the spread between the December corn and the November bean contracts. Also, the quarterly stocks report that will come out on the 28th has an impact on the old crops. So how much corn did we consume in this last quarter? How many soybeans were consumed? And that is going to continue to create volatility as we move forward. The other factor that we believe will impact us is the technicals. Especially yesterday, we've seen the December, the new crop contract move through the 20-day, 50-day moving average, continue to hit stops and cause that market to move higher. If you were just looking at the sheer fundamentals yesterday, you would expect the December corn to be weaker, as the weather forecast was ideal or improving for the production side of corn, which should have been negative to price. So a lot of jockeying here over the next couple of weeks. We've got this, some call it the biggest report of the year on June 28th. So we'll be monitoring that very closely and continue to keep everybody informed. You can get all the details by attending the Allendale Ag Leaders webinar next Tuesday. It's at 8 p.m. Make sure you sign up for that. Just go to our website and you can get signed up to receive that information. The livestock trade, on the other hand, we got the hog market strong. Pork cutout continues to be robust at $2.61 higher yesterday. Choice beef, however, was down 95, select up 36. We do have a cattle on feed report on Friday, so expect some adjusting there. Just about every category is expected to be below that 100% level, and we'll probably see some fireworks after that report comes out here on Friday afternoon at 2 o'clock. So we'll have to wait till Monday to see how the market reacts. But look for more choppiness there. Cash cattle have not traded yet this week, and stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll keep you informed and what's happening, and we look forward to working with you as we go forward. So if you got any questions, give us a call here at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning.